There was no Google, no Facebook. I was marketing on like forum. Students who join our community, if I don't think it's a good fit, I fire them. You are selling something very, very particular. You need certain types of closers who understand what you do to be able to close. My students, when they go to HTC and then they understand how to sell premium products and services and how to close on telephone, then it's a skill set they can work with entrepreneurs, influencers.
Yeah.
That's a blue ocean, right?
Hi, Dan.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So you're one of the biggest online educators here in the US, I think, about the business topics.
Yeah.
We see your ads even in Russia.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good. That means my guys doing a good job.
Yeah, your team as well.
Well, we have now students in over 130 countries now.
130 countries.
What is the revenue that you made in 2018?
In 2018, let's just say multiple 8 figures.
Multiple 8 figures. So, and when did you start?
Well, I've been doing online marketing and business since 2004. So I've been marketing online for a long, long time.
Yeah,
So I was
14 years.
marketing back then was like, there was no Google, no Facebook. I was marketing on like forum.
Hey guys, if you want to create your own online course and sell your knowledge or sell someone expert's knowledge, we have a free masterclass explaining every step on the way to create your own online course and scale it to millions of dollars. We also give you the free PDF with the best niches to start. Just click the link below and see you at the webinar.
When did you start your first course?
I think first course, if I remember correctly, it was when I was 24 years old. 23, 24 years old. From back then, I've always been doing consulting for people, but I haven't put together any kind of workshop, right? So I was marketing online, and then a couple of friends like this was asking me, well, Dan, how do you do what you do? So I said, okay, here's a computer, you do this and this and this. Cool, right? They're like, this is too short. Like, can you do it, like show it a little bit longer? I said, okay, I could do that. And before you know it, it's like 3-4 people. I taught my first workshop, and then from then on, it just grew and grew.
So what is your main product right now? How to start business or how to scale business?
My signature program is called High Ticket Closer Certification Program. Any high ticket closers? High ticket closing in all business, but focus on premium products.
Premium products.
Because I always
Physical products as well, right?
physical products as well. Doesn't matter. I have students in real estate, in mortgage, in like any spectrum you can think of.
How to become expensive?
Now, how to sell expensive
How to sell
products and services, which is a different psychology, completely different psychology. So
Is it a digital course or is it like
it's an online course. That's why I have students. It's a 7-week mentorship with me. That I take them through a very intense training. This is not like you go through some video and you watch. It's not like that. I teach a week, and we have a global platform that they can actually practice.
Do you do it live? Do you do it live?
Live.
And how does your funnel look like? I mean, is it evergreen webinars or is it just tripwire products?
We use a webinar to do a preview, kind of like a 2-hour preview, explaining a little bit about what we do and how we do it.
Evergreen webinars.
Evergreen. And from there, we have, on the front end, we have everything that we do.
So how many people on the team? 50?
So
40 internal and
Internal.
60.
And 60 freelancers. Yeah. Nice. Okay. And so you're buying traffic also, right? With the Facebook, Instagram.
everything.
What are the main sources?
Anything, AdWords, Facebook, Instagram.
AdWords as well.
Everything. I do omnipresent.
What is the average like price of the subscriber?
Cost per lead.
Yeah,
I don't look at that. I don't care about that because a lead doesn't convert. I look at cost per sale. But then that varies, right? Varies.
And what is the return on ad spend?
Again, also depends when we are running like hundreds of ads. So it's a little bit different because I have an unfair advantage. When my YouTube has 1.2 million subscribers, right? I have Instagram almost 800,000, Facebook 1.5 million. So my reach on average, organic, it's big.
So how did you develop your YouTube channel?
I have a course that teaches that actually. I actually have a course. I just launched a new program called Tube Your Horn, which is a 6-week program that teaches me how to do this. But there's so much, right? Consistency, analytics, content, connection, the type of video research, like I could spend hours on it.
Hey guys, if you want to start your online course and scale it globally and earn millions of dollars, but you're hesitating, you don't know which experts to market, you don't know which niche to start, we have a free consultation for you. Normally, a consultation with this expert costs around $200, but we give it for you for free. Just press the link below, fill the form, and see you at the consultation. So your strategy, as I see it, like you record short videos with like one something, like with one meaning, like with one idea.
One big idea.
Yeah, and do you drive traffic to the short videos on Instagram?
Sometimes, not all the time. Sometimes. Some video
Because they get a lot of views there.
They do. But sometimes it's just a video to share what I want to share. Sometimes if I'm teaching, let's say, sales questions, then I would do a call to action where they want to learn more. It's very organic. I don't have a like set template. I teach whatever I want to teach. Yeah.
And so okay, you have this evergreen webinars, and then do you have the sales team that closes via phone?
100 people. You're selling something very, very particular. You need certain types of closers who understand what you do to be able to close. And that's why my students, when they go to HTC, and then they understand how to sell premium products and services and how to close on telephone, then it's a skill set they can work with entrepreneurs, influencers.
Yeah.
That's the blue ocean, right? That's what I teach them.
And are your closers team offline office or they remote?
Remote.
Working from home.
And what countries are they from?
130 countries. Our closest 130 countries. All kinds of languages.
But most sales come from the US, right?
Yes.
Do you have the in-house traffic team?
Yeah.
How many people are there?
20 something. 20 something.
20 something, wow.
So I have, the way I run my business, I have one key person for each platform. So one for YouTube, one for Facebook, one for Facebook Pay, one for Google, one for Google Pay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's smart. Yeah.
I've got my COO, somewhere here, I've got my CFO. Yeah.
So you're more like
So what do you concentrate on? On creating new content?
Content, that's part of my highest and best use of my time. Creating content, teaching, that's part of it. But I look for new opportunities, also building relationships. So a lot of detail I don't do. I don't focus on it.
And how your average course is settled? You have pre-recorded lessons and you have like a question and answer session, or it's just mainly?
No, we have the question and answer, but our community is so supportive that they help each other. They all jump in and help each other. We have that culture. Right?
And what do you use for community? It's Facebook.
Facebook.
Yeah, but how do you structure the community? Do they have offline meetings, like trips around the world?
Not that, it's more the culture. From day one, we have a very strong culture about, instead of competing, it's all about supporting and collaborating. So I think it's setting the tone from day one. And one thing I do, students who join our community, if I don't think it's a good fit, I fire them.
Hey guys, if you like the video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments asking questions and endorsing us.
Okay, thank you, Dan. It was very nice, interesting interview.
Thank you. Hope that was helpful. Thank you. Appreciate it.